All right, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you about WordPress themes, show you what WordPress themes do, and then show you how you can go ahead and change the look of your site with a new WordPress theme or by modifying the theme that's already on your WordPress. So the idea behind themes is themes give a WordPress site its overall look, okay? The themes control the appearance and the layout of a WordPress site. Now, this particular WordPress site that we're working on right now, it's using the 2011 theme, and you can see that it's using 2011 because right at the dashboard, it tells us that we're running WordPress 3.8 running the 2011 theme. The 2011 theme, it's an older theme. It's from the year 2011, hence the name. And it is a pretty good theme, though. It does offer you a lot of different choices. You can change the appearance quite a bit, but it is a very basic theme. And WordPress has really updated their themes quite a bit with the standard theme that you get. So the 2011 probably isn't the best theme that you could be using. So I'm going to show you how we can go ahead and change the theme and even change the appearance of the theme. So the way that you control your themes is over here on the left-hand side, you have your appearance, okay? And under appearance, we have our themes, but we also have some different things that we can do from inside of the appearance. Like we can customize our theme, we can go through our theme options, and in this particular theme, we have a lot of different options that we can choose. We can go with a white or a light or a dark background. We can change our link color. We can change the way that the default layout is. Like right now we have the standard layout where the content is on the left and any links and stuff are on the right. We could change that so the content would be on the right, or we could even change it so that there's no sidebar whatsoever. For now, I'm going to leave that just content on the left, but what I want to do is I want to change it over to dark just so that you can see how quickly you can change the appearance even from in the same theme. So if I go ahead and click Save Changes there, when I go and reload our site, you're going to see that the appearance is 100% different now. You can see, it's now a dark theme as opposed to being white. So just with our theme options, you can do a lot of different things to change the way something looks, even if you're using the same exact theme. Like this particular theme, it does have some options. We can change things with our header. We can choose, you can see, and it tells us right here. What we can do is we can add our own images up to this bar up here. We can get rid of the images. We can do all kinds of different things. Right now, it's set to show different random images. I don't want that. What I've decided, I'd like to remove the header. I don't want any of those pictures at all. Okay, and you can see that it's updated it, and what we can do here is go ahead, save our changes, and now when we refresh our page, the site is going to look even different than it does now. You can see we've got rid of all that big image that was showing up right there because it's just not needed, or at least I feel it's not needed on this particular site. But if you wanted to, you could go ahead and add that right back in there. We'll go ahead, save changes. Okay, and then when we refresh the site, you'll see that it's back to how it was. Okay, now we've also got these other options. We can go ahead, change the background color if we want to. We could add in an image if we wanted to for the background. Lots of different things that we can do. We can even customize it 100% so that we change everything, the colors, the layout, everything that we want to change, we can do all that right from here, okay? But that's not what I want to do right now. What I want to do is I want to show you how we can change our themes. So if we go over to Appearance and then just click on Themes, you'll see that there's some themes that are already installed on here that just aren't activated, okay? Like the 2011, that's the theme that we have right now, but if we wanted to, we could change things up. And what I want to do is I just want to change things up and just go over to this 2014 theme that's already been installed, okay? So all we have to do is click on Activate, and what it's going to do is it's going to swap out the old theme for the new theme, okay? And it's telling us if we don't like our change, we can just go back to how everything was. It's very easy. WordPress does a really nice job with this. Okay. Now, when we go ahead, refresh our page, you'll see that our website has changed just a little bit. And that's because it's using a different theme. You can see it's changed quite a bit. Okay. It's because we're using a different theme. Now, those are just the themes that we have right there that are already installed. What we can also do is there are tens of thousands of different themes out there, even tens of thousands of free themes that you can get. And all you need to do is right up at the top where it says themes, click on the add new. Okay. And what we can do is we can go ahead and do a search, okay, for themes by different things that we want in our themes. Like we could have a one-column theme. We could choose the colors that we want it to be. All those things. But what I like to do is I like to go ahead and see what the featured themes are. WordPress will go ahead, list off a bunch of featured themes. And these are generally themes that are very popular with the WordPress community. Okay, and we can browse through these. And you can see you can change up the look of a site rather dramatically just with a theme. And I've decided that I'd like to go ahead, try this theme right here. This theme looks like it's a lot of fun. So the way that you install a theme, it's really easy. All you do is you click on the Install Now link. That'll be right there. And WordPress is going to go ahead. It downloads everything for you. It installs it all for you, and then all you have to do, you can even see a live preview before you go and activate it. Make sure that it's something that you want, and you can see, like, look how different our WordPress site looks now. That, I decided I don't want that, so I'm going to just go ahead and click cancel, and I'm going to return to the theme installer, and that theme won't have been installed. We can look, we can see the newest themes that are out there. All kinds of different themes that are out there, and you can change the look rather easily. For now, what I want to do is I want to go with the 2014 theme that's already installed on my computer. This is what we're already using, and then from here you can go ahead and customize it to the way that you want the theme to look. Themes are really cool. You can change the look dramatically with just a new theme, and you don't have to change much on your website. Just change the theme and you can give it a new look, make the functionality, make the navigation a little bit better on your website by using a different theme. So that's how you install themes. There's thousands and thousands of themes out there. And remember, it's all done from the appearance. And once you've installed the theme that you want, you can then go ahead and customize it. You can change your header, your background, all kinds of different functions inside of the theme that you can change really easily from right inside of WordPress. So that covers themes. Themes do a lot. Themes change the way that your site looks, and it can also change the layout, the colors, all those things can be done with themes.